A girl can dream, right? When I entered the real estate industry 20 years ago, I realized I had a gift. I could see the full potential in every property. But let me introduce you to Ben. Ben, all he saw was this ugly, dated kitchen, and he couldn't see past what was in front of him. Even when I tried to explain to him exactly what it could be, he couldn't see it. My husband, Andrew Kane, is actually the exact same way. He's part of the 81% of people that have zero vision. All he sees is that closed off, dated kitchen where I can see the beautiful, open concept, fully renovated space. My name is Heather Kane. I have sold over $2 billion in real estate, and today I'm going to show you how I'm revolutionizing the real estate industry by design. We've created a platform where we help homeowners see the full potential of a property. Our members have access to over 750 design boards of all price points and styles. But let me show you how it works. What you do is you take a picture of a space. You can select from any of those design boards where all of the product is click to purchase, and we show you exactly what that would look like in your home. We simulate products from all of your favorite brands all across that can ship all across the country. Everything is sourced down to the backsplash, the countertops, the light fixtures, even the window treatments and the furniture. Everything has a click to purchase solution. When we source these products, we make sure that they have affiliate links. We've sourced from hundreds of brands where our members are earning up to 30% cash back in affiliate revenue. So imagine a world where every single piece of real estate could be sold with design services included. Remember Ben from earlier? Imagine if the listing agent had shown him the full potential of the property by a beautiful rendering. Imagine as a buyer's agent, if you had access to a tool like this so you could show all of your clients the full potential of a home. When it comes to renderings, we also have access to our technology that can do it from floor plans, CAD drawings, and even when a home is mid-construction. We do everything from kitchens, bathrooms, and exteriors. Everything has a click-to-purchase solution, even down to fully furnishing an entire new home. We've built an academy. We are super passionate about our platform, but we also want to make sure that we educate the agents how to utilize our platform to make sure that they can increase revenue and also increase their business opportunities. We are officially in every state in the United States and partnered with agents from all across the country that represent tons of different brands here in the real estate industry. This right here is a QR code that goes directly to our website. So everybody, that is the pitch that I gave to Daymond John from Shark Tank that gave us the opportunity to get an incredible audience, and we won. So we won the best pitch by Daymond John from Shark Tank. So if you are curious, I want to let you know that we have launched an incredible new platform here at Style to Design. We have two different platforms. One is actually as low as $19.99 a month that gives you access to that reality staging and reality renovation, also with a 30-day Kickstart Academy. Here's an example of what that dashboard looks like. But if you want to go all in and get full access to our design center, full access to marketing content, befores, afters, coaching, all of the things, it's $49 to get access to this per month. So just want you to know, we have also built out a white label page where you actually can get access to this incredible white label program where you can use this for lead generation for your business. It's an entire website that actually helps all of our members have their entire design center with their logo. So it's a customizable website. So if you are wanting to know more about Style to Design, we would love the opportunity to show you how you can revolutionize your real estate business by design.